I'm baking from my mum's kitchen today. I have a last minute cake order. The customer asked for a rainbow cake within 1 day's notice. The party starts at 9:30 tomorrow. I have to get this cake done today. They wanted a baby Yoda cake topper as well, as I have previously made a sculpted baby Yoda cake for them last year. I let the client know that wouldn't be possible with the time frame. I suggested buttercream frogs instead. They agreed. I did 4 rainbow layers with oil-based food coloring using my go-to vanilla recipe, which is a 1:1:1 ratio of butter, sugar, flour. It always gives me a moist cake. Baking time took 1 hour, cooling time took 1 hour, and chilling time took 1 hour. So far I have spent 3.5 hours on this cake, including mixing time. I use 500 grams butter to 1 kilo icing sugar and whip the buttercream until white in color. Assemble the 9-inch cake layers. As it is winter here, my buttercream was nice and stiff when applying to the cakes, which doesn't happen often in Australia. I crumb-coated the cake, making sure to fill the sides of the gaps with buttercream before chilling in the fridge for half an hour. I colored the buttercream sky blue, as the outside will be sky theme. I used a palette knife for the clouds, or you can also use a piping bag. I used a Ziploc bag as I didn't have any piping bags left. The sky is done. The frogs piped in a large body, then 2 small bumps on top. Then use a black piping bag for small dots for the eyes and a smile. And then both the arms on each side. It is the day of the cake delivery. We arrived at the theme park. The cafe let us keep the cake in their fridge, so we could explore the park. These carriages I used to ride in the early 2000s, but as a kid. But now they are just display. Cutting the cake, the rainbow turned out well, and the birthday boy, my nephew, enjoyed the cake. The cost of the ingredients was $29 Australian. Then I spent 6 hours on this cake, which was $16 an hour. So the total cost of this cake is $125 Australian. I know this cake is a bit rushed, but I with the time limit I had, I couldn't do very many details. My cookie ebook comes out soon to cookitandcrumb.com, my website, where there's 9 recipes in the ebook of stuffed cookies, including stuffed macadamia cookies.